Wait. Yeah, middle one.
This is one of the iconic sites, not only in Mumbai, but in India and throughout the world. And I wanted to pay my respects by visiting it today. And it was a wonderful tour. I appreciate tremendously the hospitality of the trustees and the director. I learned so much about the history of this structure, and I'm privileged and honored to have visited it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.